Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairunisa binti Kamaruzaman, and today I will be presenting about my design about rehabilitation center. First of all, my site is Site C, which is located at Ceruk Palu Beach, Pahang, with the site area of 40,000 meters squared. I'm going to start with the synthesis study of sea turtle. First, it is important to design the hatchery tank area for sea turtle to get enough sunlight for their growth. So, optimum opening of windows or skylight can be applied into the design. Second, some sea turtle need an individual container. So, tank divider can be used to spread them. Also, it can save cost and space. Sea turtle that form from the sea sometimes were injured, so the rehabilitation center should prepare the intensive care unit for those turtle. Moving on to the precedent studies, first is Mount Repos Turtle Center located at Australia, Lodgehead Marine Life Center, United States, and Blue Planet Aquarium, Denmark. From the space planning, we can see the difference of the space organization and zoning of these buildings. For Mount Repos Turtle Center, they have amphitheater in their building for the educational activities, and they also provide pathway to the turtle hatchery and to the beach area. For Lodgehead Marine Life Center, they use concrete construction and steel structure for their coastal topography, and they include play area and sitting area in the building. And for Blue Planet Aquarium, they use radial planning, which is what I would like to apply in my design. And what can be highlighted is, they place their cafe beside the sea for user to enjoy the magnificent view. For my first case study synthesis is piling foundation. I would like to use concrete piling because it is suitable for weak underlying soil. And in coastal area, concrete piling can avoid corrosion. And for the building structure, I will use concrete post and beam. And for the roof, I would like to use steel framing structure. Both of these materials are wind resistant and suitable to build in coastal area. Next, the study of the green building. I would like to apply green roof or green wall into my design because it helps to reduce the ambient temperature and provide better thermal comfort. Moving on to the site synthesis. The most prevailing wind comes from the northeast, so the orientation of the building will be toward the northeast, which is also the sea view. So spaces like office and cafeteria should be located near the beach side. The site itself is surrounded with nature, so the trees should be remain and act as natural shading. And for the entrance, it is proposed at the southwest, so a proper pathway should be constructed toward the site. This is the SOA of the proposed rehabilitation center with 583 meters squared. I've divided my zoning to public, semi-public, semi-private and private by user-oriented zoning. The visitor here is referred to people that come for educational and research purpose. First of all, my design concept is derived from the site context. Second, I use radiality as the concept, and the design approach is to create the spaces projecting from center to outwards, especially to the sea view. First, the axis line is from the view and wind direction, so I arrange the zoning in vertical manner so that all zoning get wind and sea view. Next, I use radial organization and make the center as public and entrance to the building. Then, the other spaces extend in radial manner from the circle. From square, I develop the shape that is bulging outward to the sea, and then make the space disperse from the center. And below is the conceptual model of my design. As we can see from the basic square shape, the shape then is convexing toward the view and spread out. And from the center, the shape is convexing toward the view. Next is the space planning. From the entrance going to the lobby, and from lobby it will be radial organization to the exhibition, amphitheater, cafe and washroom. From the washroom, it has a linear organization to the private space, which is the office, service room and storage room. On the first floor, there is musola, classroom and washroom. For the second idea, I put all spaces at the ground floor. The musola beside the washroom and the classroom beside the laboratory. This is the schematic diagram of my design to show the form of the plan. As we can see, from the floor plan, I proposed the second entrance at the exhibition, amphitheater and cafe, so the visitor from the beach can get in and out to the building. The center in front of the lobby is the courtyard. The user will use the corridor to go from space to another space. And on the first floor, I would like to propose a green roof in front of the classroom. This is my design development. As we can see, there are two open areas that can allow the visitor to go out to the sea. It is designed to integrate with the beach environment into the building. And I've decided to use the pitch roof for my design. Next is the design of my building on the site plan with 40,000 meters squared, including the parking area. You can see I also provide the circulation from the beach and the parking area. For the staff, they can directly go to the office from the back entrance. And I also propose the pathway from the cafeteria to go to the hatchery area at the beach. This is the elevation of the building. As we can see from the front elevation, the roof is emerging outward from the center. And this is the section of the building. Here are my mock-up model from the plan view and perspective view. For the technical development, first of all, I used the circular grid and I decided the column location. I would like to use post and beam structure for the building and structural steel framing for the pitch roof. Last but not least, here is the structural model of the building. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening.